How do you say I or me or my when you want to say something about yourself in Spanish? Okay, take a look at this chart. English on the left, Spanish on the right. Let's look at an example for each one of them. To say I or me, you say yo. For example, I know, yo sé. I don't know, yo no sé. I like it, me gusta. Me too, yo también. My name is, me llamo. My name is Victor. Me llamo Víctor. You can say either yo me llamo Víctor, or you can simply say me llamo Víctor. I am, soy. I am a student. Soy estudiante. I'm Victor. Soy Víctor. I am a mechanic. Soy mecánico. I am, estoy. I am driving. Estoy manejando. I am tired. Estoy cansado. I am at the store. Estoy en la tienda. I am at school. Estoy en la escuela. I am eating. Estoy comiendo. I am working. Estoy trabajando. To say I, you say me. I am leaving. Like say you're taking off. Hey, I gotta go. I'm leaving. Ya me voy. Ya me voy. I'm leaving. Ya me voy. I got tired. Me cansé. I got full. Me llené. Say you're eating and you say, oh, I ate too much. I got full. Me llené. To say my, you say me. For example, my car. Mi carro. My house. Mi casa. It's my cell phone. Es mi celular. She's my girlfriend. Es mi novia. My doctor. Mi doctor. This is another way of saying my, mis. My eyeglasses. Mis lentes. My parents. Mis padres. My kids. Mis hijos. To say mine, you say mío. For example, it's mine. Es mío. Whose is it? ¿De quién es? It's mine. Es mío. Whose cell phone is this? ¿De quién es este celular? It's mine. Es mío. And you can say, instead of es mío, you can say es mía. For example, whose beer is this? ¿De quién es esta cerveza? It's mine. Es mía. And to say they are mine, you can say either son míos or son mías. Here's an example using míos. Whose sunglasses are this? ¿De quién son estos lentes? They are mine. son míos. Here's an example using mías. Whose keys are these? ¿De quién son estas llaves? They are mine. Son mías. Okay, let's review what we learned. I, you say yo. I am, you say soy. Or for I am, you can also say estoy. Me, you can say me. My, you can say me. To say mine, you can say mío, or you can say mía. That's singular. And to say mine, like 2 or more items, you can say míos, or you can say mías. So those are the words that you use when referring to yourself in Spanish.